Respect come from admiration and fear. You can admire me if you could catch one of your way. You see the Testarossa, the toasters right on my lap. So if you get out of line and I got an arsenal of infantry, I'm built for this mentally. That's why I'm the general, I do what they pretend to do. Front on me now, I'll be the end of you. Forget your enemies and think of what your friends do. I drop a bag off, they let off. So tear half of your ass off. I'm not for the games, I'm not for all the playing. Now brain, when I unleash the pain, get the message from the lines, or get the message from the paint a picture with words. You can see when I shine, put my back on the wall. Watch me go for mine, I let 21 off at the same time. Yeah!
Oh, don't even look at me wrong when I come to the hood. Ain't nothing changed still, I have my homies. Oh, and when I hit the block, I still win. And I don't want to, but I will if I got to.
Where I'm from, death is always in the air, homie. Nana love me, so you know she say my prayers for me. I come creeping through the hood wearing Teflon. Hit the corners, get left on. You know if not, they better check my background. Try and stick me, I fill your back with Extreme 50, don't back down. I keep it funky like fiends in the house. Cross the line, boy, I'ma air your ass out. Screw your face at me, I wanna know what that's about. I know you ain't mad, I done came up. And if you are, cause I ain't changed up. The OGs wanna talk, but I don't know these. And I ain't get no business with them, I don't know these. A minute of my time, I get it cause I grind. All across the globe like the world's mine, yeah!
Oh, don't even look at me wrong when I come to the hood. Ain't nothing changed still, I like my homies. Oh, and when I hit the block, I still win. And I don't want to, but I will if I got to. Around. Now tell me, have you ever looked up in the distance and seen them aiming at your head, man? Before you know it, life is flashing, reminiscing, and your body is dripping and full of. I done been there, I done caught that. But there ain't never been a question about that. Don't go there, you get that. And if you plan to fuck around and reroute that, you'll never catch me riding around on these streets without a couple metal pieces under my feet. Stashed up under the carpet like a Tennessee breeze. 50 don't make me ride on these, cause I will dip and hide on these. 50 don't make me ride on these, cause I be long gone like the Ripper. So don't even look at me wrong when I come to the hood. Ain't nothing changed still, I like my homies. Oh, and when I hit the block, I still win. And I don't want to, but I will if I got to.
Boy, boy, you should be now.